Imagine watching a movie where an incredible gadget appears on screen, and you think to yourself, wow, I wish that was real. Fast forward a few years, and suddenly, it is. Today, we delve into a fascinating realm where pop culture not only entertains, but also predicts the future of technology. Through imaginative storytelling, books, television shows, and films have often paved the way for groundbreaking inventions in the real world. Let us start in 1966, aboard the USS Enterprise in the classic television series, Star Trek. The crew used a unique device called a communicator to maintain contact during their adventures. At the time, such a portable communication tool seemed fantastical. Flash forward to today, and it's clear that these communicators foretold the arrival of mobile phones, devices so ingrained in our daily lives, it's hard to imagine living without them. Continuing in the world of Star Trek, the show also introduced us to the concept of a replicator, a machine capable of creating just about anything, from food to spare parts, by reconfiguring matter. Today, the concept isn't as far-fetched as it seemed. Modern-day 3D printers have revolutionized manufacturing, allowing for the creation of intricate models and functional components with remarkable precision. It's a vivid example of fiction inspiring real-world technological innovation. Now, let's journey to the 1989 classic film Back to the Future Part 2. This movie gave audiences a glimpse into what 2015 might look like, showcasing everything from self-tying sneakers to flying cars. While flying cars are still not an everyday sight, Nike did indeed bring self-lacing shoes to life, much to the delight of fans and sneaker enthusiasts alike. While these inventions may be playful nods to the film, they highlight the exciting interplay between pop culture imagination and tangible tech advancements. Let's not forget the influence of literature. Take Aldous Huxley's Brave New World, published in 1932. Though primarily dystopian, it forecast advances in fields like reproductive technology and sleep learning. Fast forward, and we have significant breakthroughs in genetics and artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in medical science, resonating with themes from Huxley's prescient vision. In more modern times, the 2002 film Minority Report envisioned a world where gesture-based interfaces allowed users to interact with technology with just a wave of their hand. Today, touchless technology is continually evolving, with gesture recognition now a feature in many devices, heralding the future of intuitive interaction with our gadgets. In closing, the boundary between science fiction and reality is often more permeable than it appears. Pop culture serves not only as a mirror reflecting societal hopes, anxieties, and aspirations, but also as a catalyst for innovation. By daring to dream beyond the constraints of contemporary technology, creators of these imaginative worlds inadvertently shape the trajectory of real-world inventions. Rather than mere spectator entertainment, pop culture holds the power to inspire and predict, reminding us that the future is limited only by the extent of our imagination.